Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Rinchin Namgyal of Class 8 from Vivekananda. Today I got an opportunity to express the famous Anglo-Indian author none other than Ruskin Bond. Here we have been covered the whole life story of the great Indian author. Today you are going to know the biography and success story of Ruskin Bond. So let's read his biography and get impressed. The first novel of Ruskin Bond was The Room on the Roof. When he was 17 years old, he read this novel and he got the award of Llewellyn Rice Memorial Prize in 1957. Since then, he has written number of novels such as Delhi is Not Far, A Flight for Pigeon, A Blue Umbrella, essay, poem, and children books. Many of his books have been published in Puffin Books. He has also written over 500 short stories and articles that have appeared in magazine and anthology. He received the Sahitya Academy Award in 1993, the Padma Shri in 1999, and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. Ruskin Bond was born in 19 May 1934 in Kaushalya, Himachal Pradesh, and he studied up in Jnana, Dehradun, New Delhi, and Shimla. As a young man, he spent 4 hours in the Channel Islands and London. He returned to India in 1955. He now lives in Landiur, Mysore in India with his adopted family. Lastly, I want to say that Ruskin Bond is a God-gifted man for our country. We are very proud to have that kind of man in our country. He really proved that the pen is mightier than the sword. Thank you.